these revision classes. Okay, everybody. So I hope that you got all my points.
Yes.
And please
Yes,
let me know, okay, just a second. So first class, I'll be doing some basics and okay. So it's now your job from the next class onwards, revise the concepts and we'll be doing the numericals based on that topics. Clear?
yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's great. Okay, so just let's wait for 2 minutes and we'll start the class then because some more students will join. Where were you, Arya? You were not there in the last two classes in the batch.
Sir, I have had my other exams, that's why. And also
Dear,
that
if you miss the classes, regular classes, so how will you basically cope up with the syllabus that has been
sir, I'm looking at the recordings.
dear? Okay, very good, but don't miss the live class because live class gives you the freedom to ask the doubt. Okay, so that's what I like. If you are watching the recording, that's a very good thing, but don't miss the classes. Just
Sir,
somehow. Hmm.
like this week I I will be able to attend my classes, yes,
Okay,
but
okay.
maybe not as many because I'm a bit busy.
So you will not be able to attend the revision classes?
Like I think if is it possible for me to have I will ask the team if on Monday and Tuesday I can have it earlier and on Wednesday and Thursday it might not be possible, but I will let you know.
Okay, dear. Okay. Okay. Okay, no worries. So recordings will be available. Don't worry about it. Recordings will be available for the revision classes as well. Okay. So, but your first priority should be to attend the classes. Okay.
Yes, so
Yeah, that's good. That's good. So let's wait. Okay. So let's start the class without any delay because it's already 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Okay, so let's start the class. So let's start with the basics first. This will be a less theoretical class. There will be not that much theory. Okay. Okay, everybody. So we'll be
okay,
focusing
sir.
on the numericals. We'll be focusing on the numericals. We'll be focusing on the doubts. We'll be focusing on the, you can say, very crisp topics. Clear? And from the next class onwards, please revise the concepts before coming to the class. I will like ask the team to specifically mention that the which class is revision and which class is regular. I think we have only one class of the batch class that is on tomorrow. So apart from tomorrow, okay, two classes will be there in a week. So that those two classes will be specifically dedicated for the revisions. Okay, everybody, Alvina and Arya and Nabila.
Yes, so
Yes, that's clear. ठीक है, that's great. That's great. Okay, so let's start it. So distance. Distance is the actual path covered in a time. Yes or no?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Next is distance is a scalar quantity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I want the active involvement in the revision
Yes,
classes because this
sir.
okay. So please
Yes,
be
sir.
active and focused while attending the classes. So distance is the scalar quantity. Distance cannot be negative. Distance cannot be negative. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
can be positive and zero. Zero means you have not taken any step. You were there. You were in the rest position. Cannot be. You can be positive or zero. Only two possibilities are there for the zero. Okay. SI unit of distance is meter. Okay. So these are the four topics to- totally on the okay on the distance. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's talk about the displacement. Displacement is the shortest path between initial and final point. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Alvina and Nabila and Arya, please let me know, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, displacement is a vector quantity. It means that it has both magnitude and direction. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
No.
Very good. Okay. Next is displacement can be negative. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Displacement can be negative.
Yes,
It
sir.
can be positive.
Yes, sir.
Positive by default it is positive, but it can be negative as well or zero. The negative sign shows that we are against the motion. Yes or no? We are
Yes,
against,
sir.
we are basically moving in the opposite direction of motion. Okay, that's what displacement is. Or negative signs means. Okay. Next is SI unit is same as the displacement because displacement is also a kind of path. Yes or no?
Yes,
Of
sir.
Yes, sir.
distance is whenever like if you have any doubt, please let me know. Don't hesitate or don't be shy. Okay. Whatever doubt you have, you can ask me right there because this is a revision class and this class will be full of doubts. If the more you ask the doubts, the more you will be confident about the topic. That's what I think. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's why. Yeah, that's great. So next is, so basically this is so basically this is a formula, you can say, or you can say a relation between the distance and displacement. Displacement is less than or equals to distance. Yes or no, everybody, please let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Displacement can either be less than distance or equal to zero. Maximum it can be equals to zero because distance is the actual path that is covered. So basically we compare the displacement with the distance to get the actual idea. Clear, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So okay, so let's do some basics numericals on this. Do 2 to 3 numericals. This is one more question. So 2 questions are there. Please let me know the answers of both the questions. Nabila, Alvina, and Arya. Arya, what's your full name, dear?
Arya Sopan Shinde.
Arya Sopan Shinde.
Yes.
So you are from Maharashtra?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Good. Any answer from anybody? Please let me know. That's not the kind of participation I want. That's a very boring class. Be active, yeah. Be active. Okay, chalo. Let's. Okay, I got one answer. It's Arya. Okay, dear. Okay, very good. Very good. What about
Sir,
Alvina and
option B for question 13.
it's Alvina, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Okay. What about you, Nabila, dear? Okay, Nabila. First question is zero. Nabila, please let me know the option. Zero
I
option
think
to nahi hai.
it's,
It's
the displacement is 0 and
okay, okay. So are you saying this B option
mm,
or
no,
C
C.
option? C option. अच्छा ठीक है. So
C.
Nabila said C option and both Arya and Alvina said B option. Dear Nabila, it is B option is correct because distance will not be
Okay.
zero. Distance, a circular path is there. It doesn't mean that. Just a second. Suppose this is a circular path. So if you have started from this point, okay. So you have started from this point. So you have started from this point. Suppose the thing. Okay. It does it mean that just a second. So this is the starting point of your journey.
Mm.
So you've started from this point and goes and goes and goes around to this point. What distance you have covered, Nabila?
A distance of value,
Of equals to what?
the length of the
Circumference?
circle, the
Circumference?
circumference.
Yes, circumference. Length of the
Yes,
circle
sir.
means circumference. It means that it would be 2 pi r, but the displacement will be 0 because you have just reached at the point from where you have started. This is the actual point. Clear?
Okay.
I hope it's clear to you,
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
So these are the silly mistakes sometimes you make, but don't worry, you can cope up. Just be a little bit more active focus, more attentive mind during the attempting the question. Okay. Sometimes happen,
Yes,
don't
sir.
worry. Okay, don't worry. Let's do the second question. Jaldi say, please let me know the
E.
answer and this one. Yes, dear.
I think it's A.
2R.
A according to, please let me know one by one.
Arya.
Arya said A. Okay, this is by Arya. What about Alvina?
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know. What about Nabila?
2R.
2R. It's Nabila.
So,
So
so
Nabila,
what is
dear, you are
P?
P is the this basically the I think it's P na pi 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 2
Oh,
pi na circle is
okay.
used na. So देखो simple सी बात है. Look at the screen. Circle is there. What will be the displacement of a particle in moving a circular path of radius r after displacement of half a circle? It means that you have started from this point. Just a second. Okay. So you have started. Let me take the. You have started from this point. Okay. And now you are standing opposite to the point. Yes or no? Because you have started from this point and opposite to this point will be half of the circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? So now tell me everybody, Nabila and Alvina and Arya, dear, if you take this distance, so it would be pi r because 2 pi r is the total distance. So half will be pi r. Yes or
Yes, sir.
no? But if you directly go from this point to this point, straight line in a straight line, what it will be?
The diameter.
The diameter?
So
Yes or
2P.
no?
Yes, sir.
So it would be nothing but 2r.
Yes, sir.
So
Oh,
that
yeah.
means that the yes or no, yes, Arya, you are saying something, dear?
No, sir.
So it will be nothing but 2R. Okay. I hope you got my point. Arya and
Yes,
Alvina.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So 2R is the
Yes.
answer. Let me know the this one answer. The
The
odometer may.
distance.
Okay, Nabila said distance, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about Alvina and Arya?
Sir, it measures the distance.
Okay, very good. Nabila. Oh,
Distance.
sorry, Alvina. Okay, Arya. Okay, the correct answer is distance. Very good. I hope you got my point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So that is the all about the distance and displacement because it's a very small topic. Okay,
O- Okay, sir.
speed and velocity. Velocity. Okay, let's understand the first thing, that is speed. First part of speed is nothing but it's the ratio of total distance divided by time. Speed is the ratio of distance and time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second part is speed is a scalar quantity. Yes or no? It only has magnitude.
Yes. Mm, mm, mm. Yes, sir.
Third is speed can be negative. Hmm? Is it possible to have a
Mm,
negative speed?
No.
Okay,
no.
who is this? Alvina or
Arya.
Nabila or Arya? Chalo one by one. Arya, what can you
Nabi-
like? Can speed be negative?
No.
Okay, what about Alvina?
No, sir.
Okay, what about Nabila now?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Speed can't be negative because distance cannot be negative. So how it is possible that speed can be negative? Because distance and time is the gives you the physical quantity, that is speed. Okay,
Okay, sir.
negative. Fourth is SI unit of speed is nothing but meter per second. Meter per second. So basically, speed is nothing but speed is equals to distance upon time. That is equals to S by T. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So basic now we have the next term, that is quantity, that is velocity. Velocity has two definition. Okay. First is velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Whenever the rate word is used in any of the equation, in any of the definition, it means that the quantity is divided by time. Okay. And the second definition is same as the speed. Velocity is the ratio of displacement by time. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Ratio of
Yes, sir.
displacement and okay. Second part, velocity is a vector quantity. It means that it has both magnitude and direction.
So when it says rate of change, it will be divided by time, right?
Yes, dear. Yes, dear.
Okay.
Whenever the rate of change of this rate word is used, it means that it will be divided by time.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
The speed definition can also be written as speed is the rate of change of position. So instead of displacement, it will be position. But it's not appropriate. So basically, appropriate definition of speed is this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So speed is a velocity is a vector quantity. I hope it's clear to everybody. Please let me know, Nabila, Reem. Oh, sorry, Nabila and Alvina and Arya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली क्या है ना, बच्चों के लाइक मिक्सड अप हो जाते हैं ना, लाइक आई जस्ट गॉट कंफ्यूज किस कौन कौन है क्लास में. So velocity can it could it be negative?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because displacement can be negative, so displacement and time gives you the velocity, physical quantity, velocity quantity. So it can be negative, positive, and zero. By default, it will be positive, but it can be positive and zero as well. Clear? Suppose that if you have basically started from this point to this point, the displacement will be zero, and zero by anything will be nothing but zero. So it can be zero now in terms if you take this case,
Yes, sir.
velocity can be negative, positive, or zero. So the SI unit of velocity will be same as the distance. Oh, sorry, speed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the full form
Yes,
of
sir.
SI? Hmm?
Standard, uh, standard something.
Standard.
International standard.
Nabila, you said international standard.
Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
I think it's
Okay.
international standard.
Yes, it's international standards. Or sometimes it can be is said that international systems of unit. I hope it's clear to you. Please let me know, dear. This one is clear. So velocity is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but
Yes, sir.
displacement by okay. So let me give you some questions based on the velocity. Okay. So give me a second. Just question should just give me a second. ये स्टार्टिंग टॉपिक्स में इतने स्पेसिफिक न्यूमेरिकल्स बहुत होते नहीं है मिक्स न्यूमेरिकल्स are good when we cover the acceleration part plus uniform and non-uniform motion. Let me know the answer. कुछ खास होते नहीं है इसमें. Which one is correct?
The third option.
Third option. Okay, just
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
ओके. अच्छा, मैंने एक्सेलरेशन का टॉपिक ले लिया. डोंट वरी, चलो कोई नहीं. अच्छा, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट यू नो द थिंग. एक्चुअली कुछ इतने खास क्वेश्चंस होते नहीं है अभी लाइक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में। सो ये क्वेश्चन देखो, यू शुड ट्रैवल। Let me know the answer of this question. It is true and false. So you have to tell me whether it's true or false. Is it true or false?
False.
Alvina said
It's
false. What about Arya
false.
and
No,
Nabila?
I
False.
said false.
False.
False. Very good. So it is false. Very good. Rate of change of distance is speed, not velocity. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, देखो, so इसमें कुछ कुछ इतने खास questions नहीं है. There are like not that much specific questions. So first we will be doing some more topics and then we'll combine all the topics into numericals. Because not specific type के numericals नहीं है अभी starting point में, ठीक है? Clear everybody? Okay, so
Sure.
Yes.
let's do average speed. And so average speed is the total distance traveled or covered, you can say, by object divided by time divided by the total time. By the total time to cover the distance. Okay. So this is the average
Okay.
speeds. So average speed is equals to total distance total time. So total distance by total time is nothing but average speed. Now it comes to the part average velocity. Okay, average velocity is nothing but the total distance displacement traveled, because don't use total because already displacement is a net difference between the positions. The displacement traveled by an object divided by the total time to cover the total time. Just इतना ही काफी है. So it is average velocity. So average velocity has two formulas. I've already explained that in the class. So average velocity, like explained, is nothing but like simple formula. So displacement by total time. First formula is this. Is equals to, and second formula is v plus u by 2. If you add the initial and final velocity and divided it by 2, you will get the average velocity. Clear everybody? Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
the one relation is also there. I've told you average velocity is less than or equals to average speed.
So for velocity, I think there are two equations. So I get confused in which equation to use when.
No, no. Basically, this is two formulas. In some of the equation, initial velocity and final velocity will be given. So this question will ask find the average velocity. Okay. So what you will do, you will just add them up and divided it by 2. In some of the question, displacement and total time will be given. So you just need to do nothing but you just need to divide the displacement by total time. So it depends on the question to question. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah. So now it's clear, Arya, Nabila and Alvina.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that's great. So let's do some questions. I have one question. I've seen one question. Hmm, yeah, here it is, one question. Giving you 3 minutes to solve this one. It's a straightforward question. So I'm giving you 3 minutes, else we'll solve it together. Any answer? Nabila, Arya, and Alvina?
Um, average speed is 10 meter per second.
Okay. What about rest of Dan's questions?
Average speed is 10 meter per second. Yeah. Second one is 100 meters.
Okay.
Second one I got as 10
And
meter.
Okay, chalo. Let's find it out which one is correct. Okay, so basically, solution first. So basically, average speed. So basically, you can see the one day Rahul had decided to go office by his car. He's enjoying along with his car is moving along a straight road at steady speed. On a particular moment, you notice that the car travels 100 meter in 10 seconds. So 100 meter in 10 seconds. So S is equals to 100 meter. T is equals to 10 seconds. Okay. So first is average speed is equals to
Total distance we
total
need to
distance
take in
by
time.
total time. Okay. Total distance by total time. So that is 100 by 10 is equals to 10 meter per second. Okay. First one is done. Those who got the 10 meter is 10 meter as the average speed is correct. How far does it travel in 1 second? So basically we need to find what? We need to find the distance. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
yes,
how you will find it out? Yes or no? Everybody. Dekho. So average speed is given as, so basically distance will be nothing but will be equals to average speed into time, whatever is the time given now. Average speed is mean that 10 meter per second means it is covering 10 meters in 1 second. Okay, so 10 meters is the answer into 1. It is equals to 10 meter. Those who got the 10 meter, how many of you got the 10 meter?
Arya.
Arya, what about Alvina and Nabila?
I got 100.
You got, how did you get
I
100
mean,
there?
I didn't understand the equation. I put like 100 by 1, so that's
अच्छा
100.
अच्छा अच्छा
I
चलो
didn't
ठीक है
hear
कोई
the
बात नहीं.
formula, but yeah,
Okay, that's great. No worries. How far does it travel in 9 seconds? Same equation.
90 meter.
Distance will be average speed into time. Okay. So it is average speed into time is nothing but 10 into 9, it is equals to 90 meter. The question is asking to find out how much time will it take to travel the distance 560. So time will be equals to nothing but average, oh sorry, not average, distance by average speed. Distance by average speed, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is equals to 560 distance is need to cover divided by average speed is 10. So it will take 56 seconds. Please let me know how many of you got this answer.
I was doing it with you, sir. I didn't
Okay.
reach that question, but I got
Okay.
it.
So what, okay, is this clear to everybody? Please let me know.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So, okay, so I hope, so this is all about the velocity and average speed and velocity. Okay. So this is how you will solve these questions. Clear everybody? Please let me know. Alvina,
Yes.
Nabila and Arya. Any doubt there?
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. Let's find out. Just a second. So now we have done with this. So let's understand the uniform. Okay, so what is basically uniform and non-uniform is, let's understand. Uniform motion. So uniform motion means we cover equal distance in equal interval of time. It means that if the car is traveling 100, if a car is basically covering 10 meters in 10 seconds, it means that in the next 10 seconds, it will cover the same distance. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, in an object covers an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, interval of time, then it is uniform motion. Can anybody give me the example of uniform motion? Example is revolution of Earth. Our Earth completes the revolution around the sun in 365 days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is a definite, you can say, uniform motion. Clear? Rotation of Earth. Rotation of
Yes,
Earth
sir.
means Earth rotates on its own axis and it's complete its rotation in 24 hours. So these are some examples of uniform motion. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Quit out?
No, sir.
Pakka? Sure?
Sure.
Next is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion is the opposite. Okay. When object covers unequal distances in equal interval in equal of time, then it is said to be non-uniform motion. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nabila, you are saying something, dear?
No, sir.
Okay. Does anybody have any doubt?
No, sir.
So examples of non-uniform motion can be like any example that you can assume in your real life. Basically, suppose that a bike is basically a motorcycle is moving on the road. So it means that it is not necessary that it will cover the equal distance in the equal interval of time, because it's in like you can say in real life it's not possible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
A bike is moving on a road. Okay. So these are any example in which like uniform like the distance or the motion is not uniform. Clear, everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt here? Any doubt to anybody? Please let me know once again.
No, sir.
Sure. Chalo, theek hai, that's great. So let me take some numericals. So what will be the kind of, just a second. Yeah, so for the uniform motion, the, the graph will be straight line. Okay. So it will be the straight line of, okay. So it is time and this is distance. And this is the uniform motion. This your slope is uniform motion. So uniform motion graph is a straight line. This can be a one marker in your school. Okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So uniform motion.
Yes, sir.
And the graph of non-uniform motion is it is parabolic. Parabolic means like this. Let me write down the here. Time distance. So it is like this. Okay. This is the non-uniform motion. Okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I hope it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
yes.
No doubt.
No, sir.
चलो ठीक है. ठीक है. चलो. Let me give you one example. This is a non-uniform example. Okay, and then we'll start the acceleration part. Find out the answer. Just a second, I'm just scrolling it. Yeah, this is the first question. And this is the second question. Do it. Any answer?
I think for the first question, train B traveled faster.
Okay, so first
Yes,
question
sir.
you said train B travels faster. Okay. What about the, okay, let's solve it first. Jल्दी से, क्योंकि we have not that, we have only 4 minutes. So suppose ये हमने divide कर दिया, A travel A B, like train A के लिए solve करते हैं. This is our train A. This is our train B. ठीक है. So basically train A is of distance is T is given as 120 kilometer. ठीक है. And the time is given as 3 hours. ठीक है. And train B is 180 kilometers. ठीक है. And the time is equals to 4 hours. ठीक है. Okay. So basically, so this speed will be nothing but distance upon time, d by t.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So d is 120 divided by 3. So it is 40 kilometer per hour. So, okay. So okay, so it isn't it didn't say that convert it into meter per second or anything. So we'll be just directly assume that this will be okay. Yes or no? And speed
Yes.
in this case is equals to d by t is equals to 180 divided by 4. So it is nothing but 45 kilometer per hour. Obviously, train B is faster than train A. If you want to convert it into meter per second, just multiply it by 5 by 18 meter per second. So 18, 6, 3, it will be 9 times 2, 5. So it will be equals to 12.5 meter per second. Clear? How did you get 5 by 18? Do you know?
No.
नो. ओके, चलो ठीक है, मैं अभी इसको कैलकुलेशन बता देता हूँ आपको. सो 40 को कैसे, 40 इज इंटू 5 बाय, ओके चलो इसमें सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. अब नाउ टेल मी, किलोमीटर पर आवर है, हाउ मेनी मीटर्स आर देयर इन द किलोमीटर्स? हाउ मेनी मीटर्स आर देयर इन 1 किलोमीटर?
1,000.
1000 divide per hour is there. How many minutes are there in 1 hour?
60.
60. How many seconds in 1 minute?
60.
60. Because I wanted to convert 1 hour into seconds. That's why 60 into 60. Clear, everybody? So 2 zeros will get cancelled. Okay, 10 is left. So 10 is nothing but 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18, 5. So 40 into 5 by 18. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So it will be 5 by 18, 2 nines are and 20. So it is 100 by 9 meter per second. 100 by 9 is almost equals to 11. ठीक है. 11.1 meter per second. So, okay, so you can see 12.5 is all obviously greater than this. Now find out the average speed solution. A car travels 30 km at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and the next 30 km at a uniform speed of 20 km per hour. So total distance, so basically find the average speed. Can anybody tell me how you will find it out?
Total distance by total time.
Total distance by
Total.
total time. Yeah. Okay, so let's calculate it. देखो, simple side. Now, suppose that this is D1, that is equals to 30 km. ठीक है. यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड इज गिवन एज, सो हम लोग इसको अज्यूम कर लेते हैं V1. ठीक है. सो V1 इज 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज D2 इज इक्वल्स टू 30 किलोमीटर और आपका V2 इज equals to 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. So now we need to find out the total time first, because if we need to find out the average speed, we have to find out total time. So first of all, speed is equals to d1 by t1. Yes or no? So t1 will be calculated by d1 by speed 1, और it would be v1 ले लेते हैं हम इसको v1. ठीक है. So d1 by v1 is nothing but t1, 30 by 40. Yes or no? So it is 3 by 4 hours. ठीक है. Now we need to calculate the time to d1 by, sorry, d2 by t2. Convert it in, just rearrange this. t2 is equals to d2 by v2. Clear everybody? t2 is equals to, d2 is 30 by 20. So it is 3 by 2 hours. So t1 plus t2 is total time.
Yes.
Yes.
t1 plus t2 is equals to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं. 4 is your LCM. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9 by 4 hours. ठीक है. अब हमारे पास एवरेज स्पीड के एवरेज टोटल डिस्टेंस निकाल लेते हैं पहले. टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 30 plus 40. 30 plus 30. 30 plus 30 है ना. हाँ, 30 plus 30. क्लियर है टोटल डिस्टेंस.
Yes.
एवरेज स्पीड निकाल लेते हैं सिंपल से. अब आपके पास टोटल डिस्टेंस भी है, टोटल टाइम भी है. इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है आपका 60
60 kilometer.
बाय टोटल टाइम कितना है 9 by 4. So this 4 will go in the numerator. So 60 into 4 by 9. So 3, yeah, this will get cancelled by 3 times. 20 by 3. So it is 80 by 3 kilometer per hour. Yes or no, everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, I got it.
Got it?
Yes, so
Yes.
Any doubt? Please let me know. Both, all of you, Alvina and Nabila and Arya.
also.
Sure, you have no doubt so far. Okay, so next
Yes,
topic
sir.
will be our acceleration. Okay, so in the next class, now the almost time is up. So in the next class, we'll be doing what? Acceleration and the equation of motions. Okay, so in the next class, we will be done with this chapter. Okay, so your job is to for the next class is to understand, basically revise the acceleration part and equations of motion part.
Okay, so
And one more thing, graphical representation of the equations of motion. That's a very easy part, not that much tough. Just go through that topic, okay? Then we'll be doing the acceleration and the all the things. So in the next class, this chapter will be done, and from next class onwards, we'll be doing the laws of motion. Okay,
okay,
clear
so
everybody? So in
Yes,
each two classes,
sir.
the chapter will be completed. Okay, so in this, it means that by the time of your exams, you will be like your syllabus will be completed as well as the revision. Okay,